We're talking about the world's most powerful tractors. From custom-built giants to mass-produced beasts. Welcome to our list of the top 10 strongest tractors. Which one is the best? Which model has the highest horsepower? We'll cover all the details. Let's get started. One, Big Bud 16 Vi747, the world's most powerful tractor. Power, 1,100 horsepower. Engine, Detroit, diesel, 16, Vide 92, T, 16 cylinders. Weight, 50 tons. Year of production, 1977. The Big Bud, 16 V747, has gone down in history as the world's largest and most powerful tractor, boasting an impressive 1,100 horsepower. This giant was custom-built for a farm in Montana, and there has been no other like it. Equipped with a 16-cylinder Detroit diesel engine, it's truly the king of heavy-duty farming machines. At 6 meters wide and almost 4.3 meters tall, its tires are as big as a car and weigh 1 ton each. Although it's older compared to modern tractors, the Big Bud 16 V747 is still a legend. John Deere 9 RX 830, the world's most powerful mass-produced tractor. Power, 830 horsepower. Engine, JD18X 18.0 liters, 6 cylinders. Weight, 29 tons. Year of production, 2024. The John Deere 9 RX 830 is currently the most powerful mass-produced tractor on the market. Delivering 830 horsepower, this tractor is a game-changer in agriculture. It gets its power from John Deere's new JD18X engine, which is also highly fuel-efficient. Designed for large farms and agricultural areas, its tracked design ensures maximum traction even in tough terrain. The 9 RX 830, equipped with John Deere's latest technologies, is a prime candidate to revolutionize modern farming. Three, Case IH Quadtrac 715, Tractor of the Year. Power, 778 horsepower. Engine, FPT Cursor 16, 16.0 liters, 6 cylinders. Weight, 25 tons. Year of production, 2025. Case IH Quadtrac 715 won the Tractor of the Year award for 2025. With 778 horsepower, this powerhouse is one of Case IH's most powerful models. Its 16-liter FPT Cursor engine provides incredible torque and pulling power. The Quadtrac 715's 4-independent track system minimizes soil compaction, and its modern hydraulic systems and comfortable cabin make it one of the best choices for farmers. Case IH Steiger 620, the master of heavy work. Power, 682 horsepower. Engine, FPT Cursor, 13, 12.9 liters, weight, 24 tons. The Steiger 620 is designed for the toughest agricultural tasks. With 682 horsepower, it provides outstanding performance on large farms. It's unbeatable when it comes to tasks like plowing and hauling heavy loads. The FPT Cursor 13 engine is known for its fuel efficiency and durability. New Holland T9.700, the Blue Beast. Power, 682 horsepower. Engine, FPT Cursor, 13, 12.9 liters. Weight, 23 tons. New Holland's most powerful model, the T9.700, stands out for its durability and modern technology. Its spacious cabin and advanced suspension system offer farmers a comfortable working experience. Six, John Deere 9 RX640, the green giant of farming. Power, 640 horsepower. Engine, JD 13.6 liter. Weight, 22 tons. Another powerful model from John Deere's 9RX series, the 640 combines strength and technology. Ideal for smaller farms, this tractor is one of the most durable on the market. Seven, Challenger MT875E, where power meets comfort. Power, 640 horsepower. Engine, Cat C18, 18.1 liters. Weight, 21 tons, made in the U.S. The Challenger MT875E features 640 horsepower and a Caterpillar C18 engine. Known for its heavy-duty hauling capacity and durability, its tracked design ensures maximum traction on tough terrains. The spacious cabin is designed for operator comfort during long hours. Eight, Versatile 610 DT, the tracked powerhouse. Power, 610 horsepower. Engine, Cummins QSX15, 15.0 liters. Weight, 22 tons. The Canadian-made Versatile 610 DT is one of the most powerful tracked tractors, with 610 horsepower. Its Cummins QSX15 engine generates high torque, making it ideal for heavy-duty agricultural tasks. The tracked system performs exceptionally well on slippery and soft ground, while the advanced hydraulic control allows for precise maneuvers. Plus, it features a large fuel tank for extended, uninterrupted work. 9. Claas Xerion 5000, Germany's power. Power, 530 horsepower. Engine, Mercedes-Benz OM 473LA. Weight, 20 tons, built with German engineering. The Claas Xerion 5000 delivers 530 horsepower. Equipped with a Mercedes-Benz engine, This tractor combines high traction power with a comfortable ride, thanks to its advanced suspension system. The 360-degree rotating cabin offers maximum visibility in all directions, and its four-wheel steering system ensures effective maneuvering in tight spaces. Fendt 1050 Vario. Wheeled power. Power: 517 horsepower. Engine: MAN 12.4 liters. Weight: 19 tons. The Fendt 1050 Vario, with 517 horsepower, is one of the most powerful wheeled tractors in the world. Its MAN engine, high-efficiency transmission, and smart traction systems make it both powerful and fuel-efficient. The Vario drive technology allows the tractor to adapt to various ground conditions for optimal performance. Its comfortable cabin and advanced electronics make it a top choice for modern farmers. Today, we've explored the world's top 10 most powerful tractors. So, which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more videos. See you in the next video.